Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this week's Astronomy of Other Cultures, we continue our look at Chinese astronomy and talk about the astronomer Shi Shen and look at his contributions to astronomy. So let's get started. When we think about star catalogs today, we imagine databases, coordinates, and telescopes. But more than 2,000 years ago, long before modern instruments, astronomers were already doing something remarkable. They were mapping the sky. One of the earliest known astronomers to do this systematically was Shi Shen. Shi Shen lived during the Warring States period of ancient China, a time of political division, but of also intense intellectual growth. Astronomy in China wasn't just about curiosity. It was tied to timekeeping, agriculture, navigation, and the perceived relationship between heaven and earth. Careful observation of the sky was considered essential to understanding order in the world. Shi Shen is traditionally credited with helping compile one of the earliest known star catalogs. The catalog recorded the positions of stars, the groupings into recognizable patterns, their movement across the sky over time. These observations weren't casual notes. They were systematic, repeatable, and intended to be passed on. This is one of the earliest examples of astronomy moving toward a scientific discipline. Shi Shen is also traditionally credited with some of the earliest recorded observations of sunspots, dark features that are visible on the sun to the naked eye under the right conditions. These observations showed that the sun was not a perfect, unchanging object, an idea that would not become widely accepted in Europe until nearly 2,000 years later. Long before telescopes, careful observers were already discovering that even the sun could change. Unlike Greek constellations, traditional Chinese astronomy divided the sky differently. Stars were organized into enclosures, lodges, and smaller asterisms. Shi Shen's work helped formalize this system at creating a structured map of the heavens that would influence Chinese astronomy for centuries. Shi Shen reminds us that astronomy did not develop in one place or follow a single path. Long before telescopes, astronomers were already asking, how do stars move? How can we record their positions? How do we preserve this knowledge? The answers Shi Shen helped provide shaped how generations understood the sky. When we map the stars today, we build on a tradition thousands of years old. Shi Shen's legacy isn't just a list of stars. It's the idea that the sky can be known, recorded, and understood. So that concludes this week's Astronomy of Other Cultures on the astronomer Shi Shen. We'll be back again next week to talk about another astronomer of this era. So until then, have a great day, everyone. And I will see you in class.